There are calls this evening for the government to waive duty fees on eco-friendly products used in restaurants in order for businesses to comply with the new ban. The calls come on the heels of the announcement of a ban on scandal bags, plastic straws and styrofoam. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that story.
It's been a long time coming, but businesses, including restaurants, will have a long way to go now that the ban on scandal bags, plastic straws and styrofoam has been announced. Restaurants have been searching for alternatives, but they're not pleased with the prices they're finding. Pepperwood, a well-known jerk center in St. Andrew, has been exploring its options.
For a few weeks now, we have been reaching out to local suppliers and manufacturers. When we contacted them, their costs were 3 times as much as the largest local producer here in Jamaica. We even reached out to an overseas company, a US-based company, and after freight and duties, their cost was still 3 times as much.
Island Grill, located island-wide, has been styrofoam-free for a year and has been moving to remove plastic since 2015. But according to CEO Thalia Lynn, that transition wasn't easy. She supports the ban, but argues the impact could be massive.
If the government would like all business people to comply, my opinion is that and this is my opinion, is that the duty on earth-friendly packaging then should be reduced, because it's going to cost 5 to 10 times more. And I can't pass that on to my consumer. They're not going to pay that for a meal. You know, you can imagine I put that percentage increase on my satisfaction. Everybody will cook their own food.
That's not the only issue being raised. Mrs. Lynn wants more information on alternatives.
Information just needs to be clear, and the alternatives should also be given to business people, or else it's not going to happen. And then you know what's going to happen. All this stuff is going to reach the wharf because it has already been ordered, and there's going to be chaos. We just need to, come together, talk about it.
Local manufacturers have indicated they will have to purchase new equipment and raw materials to provide eco-friendly packages. Sales and marketing manager at Pepperwood, Raquel Douglas Clark, hopes that will be done soon.
It is up to our manufacturers, though, to submit these products to us for sampling and for us to compare the prices, because that is a challenge. We have already done a bit of sampling, and the products haven't stand up to the quality that we expected.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.